Representing for Joe the Auto Guy, we are replacing today a quick disconnect hose fitting for the heater core hose on a 99 2007 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra and SUV models. So to start, this came from this small fitting right here. As you see, the thing busted off. It originally has, this hose was connected to it. As you see, the fitting broke. So we're gonna replace with the new fitting.
Like a code.
We're going to replace the fitting to the heater core. Doing this, you know, we need to do this so we're able to have heat. It's going to project hot coolant into the heater core, which gives you heat inside your vehicle. So we are going to put the new fitting on the hose. We're going to reposition the clamp to keep the fitting on tight to the hose. Pliers is probably your best tool to maneuver the clamp. So now we're going to reconnect the hose and fitting to the heater core. So you just tightly secure it onto the heater core. And the quick connect should automatically connect to the heater core, so you don't have to worry about any special steps with that. You gotta make sure the inflow and outflow hoses are both tightly secure to the heater core so there's no coolant spillage or leakage. So once you have everything tightly connected, it is then time to bleed the coolant system. This is a very crucial step because if you do not bleed the system and get air pockets out of the system, you may overheat and cause more severe damage to your engine. So once your vehicle hits your operating temperature, you can replace the cap back on your coolant reservoir. Continue to let your engine run to 5 to 10 minutes just to ensure your vehicle stays at operating temperature. And as long as it does that, your repair is finished.
Thank you for watching Joe the Auto Guy. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Hope this video helped you, and you have a great day.